Hello everyone, my name's Againsto, and welcome back. Today we're going to learn about social science, social studies. This chapter is the imaginary lines, latitude and longitude. So let's get started. So first let's explain about the latitude. The equator is an imaginary line drawn halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. The equator is the most important latitude, also known as the Great Circle. The Great Circle, the equator. So the Earth is like round, which it's not apparently. It's tilted 23.5 degrees, 23.5 degrees. So it's not straight, but just to show you, I'm gonna put it straight. I don't know exactly what. Do I? Yeah, I have a circle. Okay. So this is the Earth, and here, this is the equator, which is at 0 degrees. This is the equator. Like so. This is the equator. There's also here, which is above the equator. There's many lines here. Above the equator is the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees north. Which is above the equator, so it's north. So that's the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. It's not that Cancer, you see. It's not. This is 66.5. I don't have enough space here, so I'm right here. 66.5 degrees south. South, and this is the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is Arctic Circle. And here, this is also 23.5 degrees south. So this one's south, and this one's 66.5 degrees south. This is south. And then this is the Tropic of Capricorn. It's the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. I don't have enough space. I'm already here. And this is the Antarctic zone. Antarctic zone. I'm sorry if my handwriting is not so good. It's not the best, but let's just see. It's ANTA, Antarctic Circle. Like this. Yes, this is the 5 stages of this. Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. 0 degrees in the equator, 23.5 degrees in Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, I'm getting confused, 66.5 degrees north, which is Arctic Circle. And here is Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south, Antarctic Circle, which is 66.5 degrees south. This is the 5 stages here. Just quickly erase this. So let's just keep this Earth. That's Earth. Okay. Remember, it's always tilted 23.5 degrees north. It's like this. Yeah, not north. It's just 23.5 degrees. Okay, let's see more about the Great Circle. So it divides the Earth into 2 halves, or hemispheres in the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The part of the Earth from the equator to the North Pole is called the northern hemisphere, and the part of the Earth's surface from the equator to the South Pole is called the southern hemisphere. The imaginary lines in each hemisphere drawn parallelly to the equator are called parallels of latitude. Since the Earth is round, these lines are circular and run in an east to west direction. These lines are measured from the equator, which is 0-degree latitude. The lines are marked from 0 to 90 degrees, followed by north or south. North or south tells us whether the line is in the northern hemisphere or in the southern hemisphere. Okay, this is all about latitude. This is the North Pole. This right here, North Pole. And this is the South Pole. South Pole. This is how you write it. And North spelling N-O-R-T. South Pole is S-O-U-T-H, and pole is P-O-L-E. And then this is, well, the equator. This is the southern hemisphere. This is the southern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere. I'm not going to write hemisphere because it's really hard to write in a page. This is northern. But I will tell you the spelling of hemisphere. The hemisphere spelling is H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R-E. That's the spelling of hemisphere. Okay. Now let's move on to longitude. Okay. And also, equator is used to tell the temperate zone. Is used to find the temperate zone. We'll go into that chapter next. We'll go into that next after like the next video or something. Then longitudes. So longitudes are running from north to south. Running from north to south. The word meridian means midday, and hence a meridian of longitudes join places which have midday at the same time. The longitudes that passes through the observatory Greenwich near London is the prime main meridian and is marked 0 degree. So it runs like this. It means that this point, it's not parallel lines. So it's like it runs from this, and the center line that is there is called prime meridian. It's prime meridian. Sorry if my handwriting is not so good, but it's the most I can do. Okay. So this is the prime meridian. My handwriting is super bad. Next is Yeah, you know the Greenwich is at Europe. Is at Europe near London. Greenwich is at the time where it's 0 degree, and it's used to find the time zone. It's used to find the time zone. And all other longitudes are measured from the prime meridian and are followed by east and west. The prime meridian and the 180-degree meridian form a circle which divides the Earth into two hemispheres. The part of the Earth between 0 degree and 180-degree east is called the Eastern Hemisphere, while the part between 0 degree and 180-degree west is called the Western Hemisphere. Now, that's all about the latitudes and the longitudes. So remember, parallel lines are latitudes, which runs like from east to west, and longitudes are not parallel lines. And the most important line in latitudes is the equator, and the most important line in longitudes are prime meridian. It's prime meridian. And also, let me tell you about one more thing. Grid. Grid is the latitudes and longitudes crisscross each other and form a network of lines called a grid. Like both of them like combined like this. You know, like they combine each other like this. They crisscross each other, and this like area is called a grid. That's all is there in this chapter about latitudes and longitudes. So if you like this video, then like the video, smash that thumbs up, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.